All right, so we're in a new chapter. So we're gonna start with fractions and decimals. So what fractions are? They're like fractions are like parts of a whole, right? And mixed numbers are like numbers that we're only gonna be focused on addition, subtraction for the first four lessons. Then after 1 point after 0.5, we're gonna go on fractions after that. So we're gonna look at this word problem. We're gonna identify it. It says a businesswoman that has 1,123.56 in her checking account. She makes its phone deposits. She puts all this money. How much is her account now? When we already know that she starts with $1,123.56. And she adds 23.82. And then she adds $507.88. So I like to add these numbers first. So this 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 is equal to 16. Put 1 on the top, 6 on the bottom. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 18, 14. This is 22. Put 2 here, 2 here. Put the decimal point down. So 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Put the 1 on top, 5 on the bottom. And then we have 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 2, which is 5. We have 5. And then we have 6, and then we have 1. So we can't. So now we already added these two numbers. So I'm gonna cross the numbers out. Now we need to add $595. Oh no, 595. And I also need to add 678. All right, gonna be 6, 4, 18. Put the 1 on top, 8 on the bottom. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 7. So basically we have 14 plus 7, which is 22. 2 plus 8, 6 is 8, plus 5 is 13, plus 6, the 6 is 19, and that's we have 20. We have 2. So we're going to put a decimal point since it was right. So what do you put it here, or do we put it here? So assume we're going to put it right over here. So this is how much money you should have in a bank account if you deposited all that money. You know this much. All right, so how much? So we're gonna go to the next column. It says how much does 3 dimes, 4 quarters, $2, and 10 pennies and 7 nickels worth? So I'm gonna bring out the chart for U.S. currency. Bring it up real quick. See if I can find it real quick, cause see if we can find it. Well, I can't find it right now, but we know how it's worth. We know how much it's worth. All right, so 3 dimes is 3 30 cents. Plus 4 quarters, which is 4.25. Remember, to each a quarter is 25 cents, so it's going to be 100 because if you multiply 100 times 4, because there's 4 quarters and each one was 25 cents. $2, 200. 10 pennies is equal to 1 dime, so we're going to add 10 to that. And remember, 7 nickels are worth, and 1 nickel is equal to like live 7 nickels. 7 nickels. So how much is a nickel worth? So we know that there's 7 nickels, right? And we don't know how much it's worth, but how much 1 nickel is worth N. So 7 nickels is worth n. So we're gonna have to multiply 7n here. 7n, So a nickel is $5, so 5 cents. So we're gonna have 35 cents for 7 nickels. So we're gonna add an extra 35. And alright, now we're gonna add these, which gives us 130. 130 plus 210 plus 35 plus 35. So that creates 440 plus 35. That creates 475. So all those are worth about $4.75. Give all those. Alright, good. I want you to try this problem. It says that Andy works 4.5 hours on Thursdays and 5.25 hours on Fridays. How much does he work on both Friday and Thursday? So I want you to try the problem, and I want you to try to solve it.